Hey everybody, this is the replacement for the Black+Decker charger. I've heard that they are common for going out, and so if you need to replace it, this is what I've used. I highly recommend it as it's a really nice charger. It works great with the 40-volt battery, as you can see here. The Black+Decker for the blower and weed eater, but it has a really nice long cord. If you wanted to plug it up in the garage or somewhere and put it on a shelf, it's high quality, it's very durable, and it does an excellent job charging, so I highly recommend it.